Hey everyone! Ever found yourself in the laundry aisle, staring at the shelves, wondering, powder detergent or liquid detergent? Today I'm breaking it down for you. First up, let's talk about powder detergent. This stuff is powerful. It's great for tackling tough stains like mud and grass. Plus, it usually comes in eco-friendly cardboard boxes. Pretty cool, right? But here's the catch. It doesn't dissolve well in cold water. So if you're a fan of cold washes, powder might leave some residue on your clothes. Now, onto liquid detergent. This one's super convenient, perfect for pre-treating stains. Just pour a little directly onto the spot, and you're good to go. It works wonders in any water temperature, especially cold. But it's often packed in plastic bottles, which isn't the best for our planet. So what's the verdict? It really boils down to your needs. Got tough stains and prefer hot washes? Powder might be your best bet. Looking for convenience and cold water efficiency? Liquid's your go-to. At the end of the day, both detergents have their strengths. It's all about finding what works best for you and your laundry habits. Are you using powder detergent or liquid detergent right now? Drop them in the comments below, and check the video description to see some of the best powder detergents and liquid detergents. For powder, we recommend Surf Excel Matic, and for liquid, Ariel Matic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy home tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.